Hi, here we go then. This is the chance to see AI agents in action, actually clipping my live stream in real time. I've been working away here on this project and it's really exciting. So I already have a bunch of agents that assist me going live on a regular basis. You might have noticed me around quite a bit on the internet. That's because AI agents are enabling that. Here's the dream. AI agents will prepare me to go live. I will go live, do a live stream, all assisted by AI in real time. And then AI will, and as you can see here, I've been working away all morning in Tank on various different projects. Now, I have a project called Gaia Stream here, which is the project that allows me to go live. And Gaia Clipper is what I've been working on today. And I'm just connecting it to X right now so that I can post clips of my live stream. But here's the kicker, in real time, assisted by AI agents. So let me give you a quick overview of what's built so far right here in this window. So you'll see this is Gaia Stream, and this is something I'm using to go live on places like YouTube and Restream and X. Restream sends me out to LinkedIn, so hello to my LinkedIn people. As you'll see, I prepare ahead of time everything that I'm going to talk about here. I can even use AI to assist with that, and AI to make the thumbnail as well, which you'll see here. It's really cool stuff. And right now, you'll see everything going out in real time to YouTube, to Restream, and to X, and a recording session as well. So all of this is absolutely fantastic, but the question is, how do I clip the content and actually get it repurposed? And this is something I've been building here. This is called Gaia Clipper. And actually, I've been using this on yesterday's live stream just to see what it would come up with. Now, I'll show you how I got it to this stage, but let me just play you one of these clips and tell you how we got here. So this is a clip from yesterday's live stream. Let's have a listen. No need for the paid X API or MCP service, which actually is a bit of a surprise to me. But I suppose as a premium subscriber, I'm kind of paying for Grok anyway. So I wonder if it can actually surface. I would like to see, there's one post where I had a video. Okay, so you get the idea. This is clipping up, it's adding captions to the screen. You can see I've got options for captions, karaoke style captions, logos to appear of companies I mention, and also eventually we're gonna have some GIFs or GIFs, whichever you prefer, appearing to make those little shorts memeable. So I can refresh this and you can see I can actually go into live mode if I want, or I can approve these things. Now in a second, I'm gonna connect to my X account. Let me show you though, a little bit of the background of how I got here and actually what's happening in real time now, because it's really pretty cool. So you will actually see, and I'm gonna make this really big now and try and scroll to it so you can see. I have now enabled inside Gaia Streamer something that allows me to do live transcripts. So have a look at this, live transcripts, and everything that I say is transcribed in real time by Assembly AI. So as I am talking, this is being transcribed at just 15 cents an hour, which is really good stuff. And that's being fed to JSON files, which are going over to my AI agents that will watch this in real time. Now, I've been building this as we go, so I wonder if I can refresh this, if I can actually go to live mode now, it might actually start picking up my live stream and creating clips. That's the plan. It can actually create clips of my live stream as I'm presenting and reach a consensus between local AI and frontier AI as to the best clips to share on social networks. So that's kind of the idea, and I'll show you a little bit of what I built earlier on. So first of all, we did some clip cutting experiments here, and basically I wanted to go through and try and chop me at word level so I get a clean in and out on each clip. Now I know there's a lot of other SaaS products online that are doing this, but I kind of like the experiment of trying this myself. And if I play this clip, you'll hear it's pretty roughly cut. Let's play from the start. If indeed it plays, we might have lost the clip there. This was an earlier experiment, so some of these might have been torn down by the AI. Yes, But we were getting Gemini 3.5 Flash to find the proposed cut points, and then I was getting various different AIs to cut them, and a lot of the cutting was rough. It was cutting me mid-word, mid-sentence, and eventually I got this dialed in. So we got something that sounds really good. Let me see if I can actually play you some of the clips here. Maybe this one will work. Let's play. In top 3. All these clips are a bit temperamental. Okay, they're temperamental, and that's okay. But essentially, I managed to get a clean in and out of the clips that I wanted to play. So this was really, really good. Let's see what comes through here. It's now pulling through some structured metadata, which will be quite interesting. Scores, comments, and authors coming in. Top 3 identified. I'm really curious because I have got the Singularity Reddit over here, and we can actually see GPT 5.6 Sol is top, Accelerate and SpaceX AI planning to launch 1.5 trillion parameter Grok 4.5 on Wednesday. Those are the top ones. And if we look over here, yes, number 1 is go to the Accelerate. Number 2 is came across this on X and thought it was pretty accurate. Still scrolling. Yeah, I can see that. That's from 5 days ago, but it's up there. And then number 3 is Anthropic. Oh, and now we've exited the TMUX, so we can see it here in the chat. Anthropic Guardrails does it again is in there. Can we see Anthropic Guardrails does it again? Beautiful, a clean ending there, no mid-word. And that's because it's looking at the volume of things at the start and the end of clips to make sure it's not clipping in mid-word. So a lot of problems to solve here, but I think I'm getting pretty close. And I'm really excited because I've got something that's half working now, and I want to see if I can get this running even better. So what I'm going to need to do is start by connecting with an X app in my developer console. You'll see I've made something called Gaia Clipper here. And the idea is I can connect this in, and in real time, the AI agents will make the clips of my live streams and then post them out. So I need to give this read and write permissions, and this is indeed a web app. And now I need to give some OAuth details so I can OAuth with my X account, get it logged in so that it'll all work. So there's the callback. That's a local URL for me. And of course, we'll put in a website here as well. And I guess it doesn't hurt to put in the organization name as well. Everything else can stay blank, so I can save the changes there. Whoops, okay, yes, as is always the case, it likes to show a lot of API keys on the screen. If I could count on my hands the number of API keys that have been exposed during doing this, it would be absolutely ridiculous. So I need to click regenerate on those keys and get them sorted. That's the beauty of doing a work with me live stream, is you always kind of get API keys showing here, there, and everywhere. Okay, I think I've regenerated my keys, so we should be good. Client ID and secret, and we'll get this pasted into the app. Now I have to show you me at the moment because API keys abound are everywhere. Okay, let's see if we can do this and get this sorted out. So thank you so much for those of you who are joining me in. We've got Mindy Genius, I think that is, was making something similar where the user will upload their video and connect to their YouTube account and be analyzed by AI agents, thumbnail, title, description. Love the idea there. But this is actually going to clip me in real time. So the stuff I say on my live stream, the idea is this would clip things that I say or valuable moments, and that's reached by consensus of things like Gemini, Claude, and a local model running on my Mac Studio M3 Ultra. They decide together which are the best clippable parts of my live stream, if you like, and then those are clipped up. Then we put on captions with remotion, we put on funny memeable GIFs or GIFs if you like, and then we post them out to X. And really what I want to do is I want to find a way using the X API to post clips of my live stream as it's happening, because I think that's really powerful. So AI agents can analyze my transcript in real time and literally post the stuff to X. I think this is valuable because it means a live stream can be going at one place, but then there's a constant stream of valuable clips getting put out while the stream is live, pushing people in to watch the live stream. So it's kind of like that recurring cycle of goodness, that loop of goodness with AI agents. Nice to see Gregor's in the house as well. Gregor there, and Darren as well, and username redacted as well. A lot of very interesting people tuning in. Okay, so let's get this over to my project here in Tank. So you can see here, basically it's put me a dashboard up on my local network. I need to make sure I put in the client ID and secret, which of course I can't show you. And then we're going to click the OAuth button and connect it to X, where it will then post clips along with a watch now link to the broadcast that I've done. And it tells me how much it costs on the X API, which is basically pennies. So I'm just going to paste in some API keys and say, here are the keys. It is created. Tell me when I can OAuth. And I'm just going to let Claude do its thing right now, orchestrated in Tank, the AI coding orchestration platform, and then we'll get over and have a play. So I've created the X thing that I need. Like I say, the next thing will be to get real stuff in here as I'm live streaming. And this is going to be an interesting thing that's going to come from my Gaia stream. You can actually see, look at this, live transcript is updating in, which is basically pennies. I said that a moment ago, and it's being transcribed and sent off. And afterwards, it will also finalize this session and transcribe what I've said and upload chapters to my YouTube video. So it really is really very good here. I absolutely love it. It's even got a loudness meter to make sure that I'm hitting loudness standards, because some of you said that I was quite not so loud in the past, but this is actually working with an EBUR 128 loudness meter to get my stream sounding good. This is a bit of a geeky stream today, and it's very, very meta. Okay, good news is I think we've got some results here. Can't show you everything because there are API keys everywhere. But basically, it says here, you can OAuth now. Credentials are installed on Gaia, which is my streaming Mac M3 Ultra. I can go there, I can OAuth, log in to Create a Magic AI, click Connect X, and do the same for iMike Russell if I want my personal account. And then it will flip from dry run to live, and the approve button will actually really post to X. This is really cool. Now, obviously in the future, I want it to be clipping my live stream as I go. But for now, I'm going to test with yesterday's live stream, because obviously it would be a bit janky to do things with a real live stream as I'm live streaming, if you see what I mean. It could pull me off air. So we'll go over and get this up and running. So let's go and have a look over here. Let's give it a refresh. And now I should be able to connect to X, I think. Let's see if it does. Okay, yeah. Gaia Clipper wants to create, connect to create a magic. So I will authorize the app. Let's do so. Boom. And connected. Refresh token stored. Publisher mode is live. That's really cool. Let's refresh. Yes, we are live. Okay, so this is really interesting. I can actually link to a real live stream right now. I wonder, shall we do it? Shall we pick one of these that's really good? Watch how fast this is going to be. Reddit's JSON API blocked. I think that's a good one. Let's quickly just review a bit of this, like so, and then it's going to go to the Singularity Reddit. First time running bugs, but we're getting there. I'll fetch the top. All right, and what is it? The internet is no longer designed for humans. I quite like this one. Okay, fantastic. So captions, karaoke style, and any logos there, posting out to create a magic. Now, if I OAuth another account, I can choose another account. I guess I could connect another account. I connect my personal X account, but let's just test and see if this works. So first of all, I need to pull up my X account. That's over here, and go and look here. Now, nothing is here at the moment. In fact, some of these posts are unavailable, I think because my agent was messing around earlier. So let's delete anything that's not available. This is looking good and clean now. So, okay, the idea is I should be able to post out one of the clips in Gaia Clipper from yesterday's stream, because we're testing on yesterday's stream. So if I click approve, does that go live to X? I don't know. I've just clicked approve. Should we go over to X? Maybe it takes some time to post. I guess it's not instantaneous. Let's refresh over here and have a look. No, it has not posted out yet. We'll wait and see. I'm guessing this takes some time because it's got to upload a 60-second video clip to X. But I guess there's no harm in also asking Tank at the same time. I've just tested by uploading a clip. Does it take some time to upload, and should we have a spinning circle or something while that's happening? And I'm just getting Tank to work on that right now. So at the moment, this is standing static. Let's go back over here and have a look and see if it's working. Nope, nothing posted onto X yet. So I'm not sure if that approve button has worked. So what AI agent orchestration are you using? Minded Genius AI. So I'm using Tank, which is a brilliant AI coding orchestration system. You can actually get it by joining my community. I'll post the link in the chat for you, by the way, if you're interested to check it out. Load of builders in there having fun, contributing to Tank, making it all that it can be. I should add a loader. Yes, exactly. So I know what's happening in the background. And we've got Pav who's saying, I use really bad AIs for it and I still can't find a good AI that can actually make what I want. Do you know what? It takes a lot of experimentation. So I've been experimenting a lot. And I find what you need to do when you're building something as complex as this, that's clipping things in real time, cutting mid-words and things like that, is you need to ask your AI coding harness to test a lot of AIs in parallel. So I have a lot of local AIs. I also have the API keys to like Google, OpenAI, to Claude, and I will literally say, just test in parallel all of these different AI models and find out which one does it the best. And often I find there are still challenges that AI can't fully figure out, like it can't figure out if it's chopping off mid-word or if it's making awkward cuts and things like that. So what I'll say is I want you to test all the AI models, present me results in a web page that I can eyeball, and then I'll feed back to you and tell you the result I like the best. It's the same when I was making the captions. I said I want you to test both remotion and hyperframes. And it broke down a lot of things. So it gave me two different side-by-sides to eyeball, but also it broke down how long each framework took to render out the captions on my short clips. And it was really surprising, actually, that remotion was 2 or 3 times faster than hyperframes. And on that result alone, I decided to go with remotion because I'm like, actually, when I'm live streaming, I want these clips of my live stream to be made fast and published to X quick so that we get like a real live loop that is going out on X. And it's really good. And I also eyeballed and there was no real difference between remotion and hyperframes. It's just hyperframes took longer. So I was like, okay, well, we'll go with remotion. And it's the same here. So if you look at some of these from earlier, look at this. Hyperframes took 213 seconds. Remotion took 116 seconds. The composite was exactly the same pretty much. Overlay size was bigger in terms of megabytes from remotion, which I guess means better quality. But yeah, you know, in literally pretty much half the time, remotion did it. And I could view these side by side. I think these work. This is the hyperframes result, like so. And then it's going to go to the Singularity Reddit. So that's one. And then over here, remotion. Like so. And then it's going to go to the... And if you eyeball it, I mean, these like overlays are pretty much the same. That's what I was looking for. And it gives me different freeze frames to show me how it's all working out. And again, remotion much faster than hyperframes. So for real time, I needed this. Okay, let's have a look over here. Good news and a confession. Your test never reached X. I love the way AI likes to confess to me. It's like good news and a confession. I feel like, what am I supposed to be? Am I a priest? Is the AI confessing to me all its sins? Anyway, it wasn't slowness, it crashed. Okay, my bug was the new URL. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Both problems are now fixed and deployed. Publish is now asynchronous. Okay, proper progress. Click approve and it will go to publishing and the slow work. Okay. Yeah, okay, you're safe to approve again whenever you like, and it'll post to your account. Okay, so let's go over to Gaia Clipper and have a look at this. Let's refresh. Boom. Okay, I think I wanted to approve this, so let's try. Oh, yes. So we've got a publishing spinning circle now. So this is where it's now going to upload to X. Oh, did it do it? Oh, failed. Oh dear, publish failed, 400 bad requests. We're going to need to do more work on this, and I'm guessing nothing went live to X yet. Let's have a look here. Nope, nothing live on X. So I need to go back over here and say, okay, this is still not working. Can you look at the X API specifically and find out exactly what you need to code in to make it upload the video clip and make this work seamlessly for me? And give me a status bar. And if you can even have a growing status bar that grows as the clip is uploading, that's all the better. Let's make this really visual and really cool. Okay, let's let that sink in. That's my next prompt. So we've got a 400 bad request at the moment, but we will get there. Now, reading more of your comments, we got Pav says, thanks, understand. but AI doesn't get results I want. I've been trying for 2 months to make optimizations. Yeah, you just have to keep prompting it in different ways. If it's a visual thing, AI can see, and often I'll say when it's stuff like putting captions on in the right places, I'll say go through, frame by frame, or every 10 frames, take a snapshot and decide where you're going to put captions. You have to get really fine-grained with AI. I'm sure over time this will improve and we won't need to do this, and this will be a relic of the past. But right now, you really do have to get it to watch things. And the funny thing with audio, I know GPT just had their new real-time voice rolled out in the app yesterday, and it looks awesome, by the way. But still, AI has a problem actually listening to and understanding waveforms and volumes and EQ and all that kind of stuff. So I had to really, really dial, and eventually it decided its own RMS loudness algorithm. And it said, if it goes below this amount, it's clearly a gap between words, because word level transcription is not accurate enough. I've tried them all. I've tried Assembly, I've tried 11 Labs Scribe, I've tried Whisper Large, I've tried, what's that one from NVIDIA? Parakeet. I've tried all of them, and they really are not accurate for like fully chopping clips at the start and the end. So eventually I just had to get AI to do a load of research online, find out what the answer is, and then come back and build me something. And it worked. Persistence really works. What have we got going on here? The 400X is telling us the request shape is wrong somewhere. Okay, and it's searching X docs. Good, it's working out how to do media upload chunked. So we should get somewhere pretty good soon, which I'm hoping will work out for the best. In the meantime, I'll start a new task here so we can build something else. I'll say, at the moment, I'm running Gaia Clipper with a test live stream from yesterday. But if you look at Gaia Stream, you'll actually notice that I'm live streaming now. I don't want to switch over to have that live stream be the feed yet, but I want you to tell me if it's possible and if there's anything else I need to build, and to make it more exciting, if we could grab clips every 5 minutes instead of every 20 minutes, and maybe even have a setting toggle somewhere in Gaia Stream or Gaia Clipper, wherever is appropriate, so we can change the granularity of how often the AI models are looking for clips to publish. So again, don't do anything right now, just tell me if this is all possible. Because I've got more than enough Fable 5 credits at the moment, because we've had that nice reset from Anthropic. I'm using Fable 5 for pretty much everything at the moment. So I'm just letting it kind of rip because, yeah, got loads of credits and I want to definitely use them. Okay, so we've got an edit happening to the publisher here, which is really good. So this is updating everything, and very soon we should have something that is good to actually go and good to use. So I'm hoping that we will get something that's really good. Interestingly enough, oh wow, this is interesting. So I think that my live clipper is working in real time. It has been set to run every 20 minutes. And I can see it's actually pulled in a clip from this live stream in real time. I prefer building my own clip cutter rather than using a SAS. That's literally what I've been talking about. So proof of concept, actually, without even waiting for Claude Code to respond there. This app is working and it's really pulling in my live stream in real time. This is what I wanted to see, and I could only really test this by going live. Look at this. And the title, "This AI agent clips my live stream in real time." This is exactly the kind of thing I'd want to publish out to X. The only problem I've got here at the moment is that it's not actually pulled in a video clip that would be ready to approve and publish to the Creator Magic account. Now, obviously, this is me, human in the loop, approving these clips, but it's kind of a case of building as you go. And once this gets to a really good level where I'm confident I've got the right AI models and they will work as a consensus, I'll have GPT OSS 120B running on my box, coordinating with Gemini 3.5 Flash, coordinating with Claude, one of the Claude models, and they'll all talk to each other. Plus, I don't want to stop there because I don't just want a generic clipper. because I could go to any of the other generic clippers that are out there and charge money. I'm actually going to have my clipper look at the transcripts of previous live streams, understand what I talk about, and become absolutely fine-tuned to my content so we can optimize. And in the future, I would even like it to be a recursive loop where it actually looks at the clips it posted to my X account, sees how many views they get, and discovers the clips that got the most views. Now, just imagine this for a moment, right? Over time, we build up like an audience profile of, wow, that clip went out and it hit 2,000 views, whereas most other clips, got a few hundred views. So this one must be outstanding. I'll note that. Almost, if you like a Hermes agent or OpenClaw for live clipping my streams. I know this is getting extremely meta, but I'm literally doing a build with me, think out loud live stream today, so you can see what I'm building in public. Now, because I'm building in public, you can see things go wrong, and it's nice to see we've got a problem here. But this is failed, but don't worry, no failure is a problem because we can always fix it. Resume failed. Okay, we've got a traceback error here. And it can't find the assembly AI live transcript. But this is okay because I can actually paste this in over here. So we can see over here, we've got what's happening here. Let's actually look at the terminal to see what Claude Code is doing. Oh, it's deploying something, and we'll go over here. Yes, this is possible. Short answer, yes to both. There's a surprise. Live mode is not only possible, it's already running. Well, I know that. I've just seen it. This is brilliant. What I found, the live feed is already wired up and armed, blah, 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 nothing else. Okay, the 5-minute interval, easy, and the right home is Gaia Clipper, not Gaia Stream. The picker cadence is Content Brain Concern. Okay, got it. So we'll add that. Okay, cool. So I'll just paste this in and then I'll talk to it. So I'll say, okay, so yes, you're absolutely right. I can see this. One of my clips was pulled in, but it didn't have a video clip. And then after a while, it failed with the above error. So can we make sure that we get that fixed? And then also, yes, add in the pick window and things like that, and make it so that it'll work real time on my stream, please. Okay, so we'll get that fixing things up and we'll see what happens. It's interesting. It's pulled in another clip. These clips are a bit temperamental. Remotion is 3 times faster than hyperframes. Oh, and there's the same error. But this is really good. I literally said a few minutes ago on my live stream that I discovered remotion is faster than hyperframes. That's really good intelligence there. And that's the kind of thing I'd want going live on X. Now imagine the next step is we get an AI agent to tag those companies and have a little bit of a fight-off between Remotion and hyperframes. Imagine it finds those companies and says, hey, Remotion, you're 3 times faster than hyperframes. And then it posts a link to my live stream. So it's like a continuous cycle of promotion for the live stream as we are live. Right, while we let this build out and fix the things that need to be fixed, which seem to be erroring at the moment, but I'm sure things are going to be figured out. First of all, I might see if I can post this, because this would be quite interesting. Shall I approve it and see if that's fixed? Approve anyway. Oh, it's a double click approve now. I like that. Oh, look at this. This is awesome. This is really cool. It's just built that. I literally prompted it and it's uploading the chunks. And I think that when this reaches all the way over here, we should have a live post on X that we can check out, which would be really interesting to see if this works. I have no idea if it'll work, but we'll see. We'll just wait. Okay, it's processing now. I love the fact that it's calling back from X all the time, but is it working? Why have we got that 400? It says posted, so I don't know why there's a 400 there. Let's go to the X account and refresh. Did it do it? And boom, yes, the internet is no longer designed for humans. Watch now. So look at this. It's actually got my clip. Now, this is obviously from yesterday's live stream, but you get the idea. But the idea is that all these clips would link to the live broadcast that's going out on X in real time, so that people get a clip showing up in their X feed and then can click this link to go and watch my live broadcast. So that's working incredibly well. It's already had 10 views and it literally just went out. That's amazing. So let's click into this and see. Okay, so this is taking to the live stream here, which is absolutely awesome. So if you like what's happened there, I'll actually copy the link there and paste it in the chat over on YouTube. So you YouTube wonderful people can go and have a look, but I can see people are watching on X as well. So this is really, really good. I really like this. Let's see some of your comments that are coming in here. Looking forward to 5.6 Sol. Absolutely. Going to get my teeth stuck into that later. Love seeing something actually work made by AI. I tend to make a lot of stuff that works. I just have to keep persisting. I spent 4 hours on a live stream the other day, but I got there with my phone in line, which was quite funny. Actually, talking about my phone in line, I did that a couple of days ago. I built this this call-in line to the live stream, and you can actually call. It's a US number, 424 5844. I'll just post it in the live stream. I don't expect anyone to call in, but if you want to come on air and chat with me, I actually built this the other day. It's a call screener, and I can actually switch the phone on, so connect the show line. Okay, that's connected, and then I connect it to my Rodecaster. And now if anyone were to call the number I've just posted in the live chat on YouTube, I should also post that on X, just so that people know. So let me actually post there. We're also taking calls on our Grok voice agent powered phone line to come on air. And then I'll paste that number, 424 5844. If anyone wants to call that number, if you call that number and leave your name and where you're calling from and what you want to talk about, it will appear on my call screener here, and I can take you on air. Yeah, so if you're calling from WA, is that Washington? Absolutely. If you're based anywhere in the US, that is the cost of a call to a, whatever the rate is to call a Los Angeles number. So yeah, I'll just post that one over here so people can see that we're actually using the Grok-powered voice agent. So what will happen if you call that number is, this is something I built yesterday, or the day before actually. If you call 424 5844, you will appear on a control panel that I can see. And if I see someone appear, I will literally take you on air and you can talk to me on this live stream. Don't feel compelled to. I can carry on building, but I think it's a really awesome thing. And I enjoyed building that one. All right, let's go back over and look at Gaia Clipper and see how it's getting on. It's getting on pretty good. Mid-word cuts fixed. Here's how I solved it. Using AI agent consensus to clip live streams. I mean, this is freaking awesome. The only thing I'm worried about here is it's not making videos in real time, whereas the stream from yesterday did create videos. I'd love to be able to post my my very first video from this live stream out to X. I think that would be awesome. Let's see how Tank is getting on here. Okay, so it's looking into all of this. I think it's fixing the settings. What have we got here? Proven live. You've got the growing bar ready for you to hit approval for real. Okay, it's fixed this. Your status bar, transcoding, uploading, X processing, updates every 1.5 seconds. Nice. Okay, so this is looking really good. Okay, yeah, if you're based in the European Union, it's going to be the cost of a phone call to the US. Yeah, it's a US number. That's the one I registered with Twilio. Maybe in the future, I'll register one this side of the pond as well. It was automatically cancelling or hanging up the call. Really? Very interesting. Shall we see whether my live stream caller actually still works? I should probably call the number to see if it still works. We'll give it a test. But yeah, this is indeed something that I built the other day. So let me give that phone number a call and see if it works. Here we go. Let's have a listen.
Hello, I'm an automated AI assistant screening calls for the show. This call may be recorded and you may be brought on air live.
Yeah, so it's working. I can hear that it's working. So if anyone calls that number, you'll speak to a Grok voice AI agent that will take your call. And yeah, I agree, Glenn. Grok 4.5 looks insane, actually. I've been jamming with Grok all morning and I've been finding it incredibly fun. So I'm looking forward to playing with that a lot more in the future. I think that's going to be really good. Okay, good. The proof of concept here is really working. Let's have a look and see what we've got going on here. Terminal is building things here. Okay, what did I say? One of the clips was pulled in, but I didn't have a video clip, and after a while it failed with the above error. So can we make sure it's fixed? Okay, so at the moment I've got AI on the case, building it so it will pull in real-time video clips of what I say at a frequency of whatever I set, every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 20 minutes. But it's going to be a phenomenal thing to have. And when I have this up and rocking, I would kind of, once I'm confident with it, I'll just set her free and let her roll. So my idea is that Gaia Clipper will eventually no longer require a human in the loop. I will go live. Gaia Clipper will be triggered by a webhook. All runs on my local box, by the way. It listens to everything I say on a live stream and it literally clips me as I'm going and pulls the best stuff and then reaches a consensus between 3 AI agents, 2 of them frontier, 1 of them local, as to whether the clip should publish or not. So I want to get this like really, really tight. So I'm like super happy with it. And then I'm just going to let her rip. It's going to go on X. I'm probably going to have it auto posting a lot to Creator Magic AI, the Creator Magic account. Not so much on my personal account because I want to keep that superhuman. So I'll probably post like, I don't know, 1 or 2 clips on my personal account via this. And then my ultimate thing is to then have it posting out to places like YouTube Shorts with like a link at the bottom that then clicks straight through to the live stream on YouTube. So then I can bring in an audience from YouTube Shorts into my live stream. I'd like to get this out on TikTok eventually, Instagram, like the whole kit and caboodle. Once I've got this dialed in, I will literally let it rip and it's going to be distributing my stuff everywhere. Like, you're not going to be able to ignore me on the internet once Gaia Clipper is finished. So we got Creative Arrow in the house. Hey man, good to see you. So good to see you. Good day to you too. What's the country code if I'm calling from India? So yeah, if you want to get through, it's +1. It's like the call to the US basically. 424-5000-844 is the number. That's the live screener that I built the other day. It's powered by Twilio. I've connected the phone line, so if anyone wants to call, Grok will answer your call and put you through to me on the air, which is kind of cool, right? Darren says, oh my goodness, where are you? You got to get some sleep. Okay, well, sleep well, Darren. And I was just trying 424-5000-844. I don't know why it's hanging up. Yeah, you might, if you're calling from India, you might need to put +1 or 001 usually, and then maybe it will get you through. Okay, we're still getting tracebacks here, so this is not quite fully working. Let's refresh this and see what's going on. But we are on live mode, and it's pick a window, so 5 minutes at the moment is what we've got. So let's see. And at the moment, still over here, I can see Claude is crunching through here. It's rebuilding a lot of stuff. So we might actually get this working really well once we actually have this sorted and redeployed. It's just going to take some time to get this all working, but it shouldn't take too long, and then we'll be in a good place. Meantime, if you want to ask me any questions, now is a good time. Get into the chat and let me know what's on your mind. I can see that my Claude code is wrapping things up here, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this Gaia Clipper is working incredibly well. And yeah, it posted 1 clip out to X, but I'm really excited to see how this will work in the future. I'm absolutely loving the fact that the first thing that it posted out here, the internet is no longer designed for humans, is literally Reddit getting blocked at every single corner. A clip from yesterday's stream, but in the future, these will be clips from today's stream, literally going out in real time. So let's have a look. How are we doing? It's looking at chunks now. How are we doing? Monitor event today's live clip records status changes, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let me see the actual error. So it's troubleshooting errors. This is all Fable 5 stuff. So we'll see. Hey, no worries, Mighty Genius. Thank you for at least trying to call in and get through to my call screener. I do have it up and active. I didn't hear it answer, but yeah, upgrading my setup for it. What equipment do I need for something more complex? What are you looking to do, Pav? Let me know what you're looking to do, and I'll see how I can help you with that. But in the meantime, I'm hoping we'll get somewhere further with this. Monitor event today's live clip records, status changes. Okay, 5-minute picks. It seems to be grabbing everything here. So we'll just see what happens. We're all still hammering Fable. Yeah. It's a little bit fab, hit or miss with the mark. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I've got to say, I've had some dumb things happen with Fable. Okay, this is something I don't think people are talking about. Has anyone actually noticed Fable 5 being really dumb? I thought I could trust it, but actually after today, and yesterday, actually, I had a few dumb experiences, but the absolute pinnacle of stupidness, I was trying to get my Gaia stream working to get my live stream publishing really well on all platforms, on YouTube, on X, LinkedIn, and eventually others. And it went out and had a look at X. And for some reason, unbeknownst to me, it decided to delete the 2 most recent live streams I did on X. Completely kaput. My agent, powered by Fable 5, just said, we don't need those live streams, let's delete them. So it literally deleted 2 live streams from X, including my 4-hour marathon. Just deleted it. I mean, what's that about? So yeah, I'm not fully happy with Fable 5 at the moment, and I don't know if there's a bit of throttling going on with intelligence there. It's Fable 5, but is it Fable 5? Roll on GPT 5.6 in general availability, that's what I say. In the meantime, actually, talking about GPT 5.6, I don't think I have got access to GPT 5.6. I'm looking in the app, and for me, it's still showing as just GPT 5.5, which is a little bit ridiculous. But I guess I could try the real-time voice and see if it's any good, seeing as they rolled it out yesterday. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. What's on your mind?
So I want to know about the World Cup. Is there a match on today?
Checking today's fixtures now. Yeah, there is. Today, Thursday, July 9th, there's a World Cup quarterfinal on the schedule. It's France versus Morocco.
Yeah, what do you think the score will be?
Let me take a quick look. I guess maybe France 2, Morocco 1. Feels like it could be tight and tense.
Yeah,
France
who do you think is going to score the goals?
Let me check. Okay, my guess, Mbappe feels like the safest bet for France. I'd add Dembele or Barcola as possible contributors. For Morocco, I'd lean towards Rahimi if they get one.
Okay, and I hear that you can actually feed back to me in real time. Is it true that you can listen to me and you can say things as I speak to you?
Yes. Yeah, I can do that. Absolutely. Just keep talking.
Okay, I'm going to keep talking and you interject into my sentence. Yeah, so you understand what I'm saying? Yeah? You know everything that I'm talking about? Yeah? Yeah? And
yeah, I'm right here with you.
Okay, that sounds good. Yeah, I like it.
Great. Keep going.
Can you tell what kind of mood I'm in just by listening to my voice?
I can try, but it'll just be a vibe check. Right now, I'm picking up curious, a bit playful. Is that close?
I've got to say, actually, it's not too bad, although I feel the latency as I talk. It takes just a second or two to actually be quiet when I interrupt it, which is kind of not the way you usually interrupt humans. So it's good. It's getting there. It's definitely getting there, but it's not getting full marks. It's not getting 10 out of 10 from me yet, but just a quick try. So yeah, usually, Greg is saying it's usually 6 p.m. in the UK for a new model release, which is 10 Pacific, which is 8 p.m. here in Cyprus, but I'll stay up and see if that happens. This morning, Fable 5 went bonkers and had to restart a chat session, got it back on track. It's very weird. I know, something's weird the last few days. But the good news is I can see Fable 5 says that things are happening here. Oh my goodness, loads of monitors. All right. Status changes. Oh my goodness. Is it building stuff? It said it deployed. While resume works, the 2 stranded clips. Let me commit the work. Okay, let's look at this. What's going on here? It decided to delete the 2 most recent streams on X. So this is actually pulling in stuff in real time, which is hilarious. But we're not getting videos made. Ooh, hot boundary, no clean silence found, needs a manual trim. Interesting. Gate fail. Mix words cuts fix. Oh, hang on, wait a second. Oh, this is pulling in real stuff. Remotion is 3 times faster than hyperframes. Hot boundary, no clean silence. Okay, so it seems only the latest, and look at this, models agree, so we're getting consensus here, which is good. It seems only the latest clip doesn't appear while it works for it to work. No need for the paid X API or MCP service. Surprising, the power of scheduled agents. So that's yesterday, but look, these are all clips from me today. Look, wearing my green shirt. So this app is working, but it's flagging when there's hot boundaries and stuff like that. No clean silence found, needs a manual trim. Shall we actually have a listen to that 39-second clip and see? But this one I would actually post. Remotion is 3 times faster than hyperframes. Let's play it. Oh, hang on, I'm going to need some audio here. Let's play. Why have we got that 400? It says posted, so I don't know why there's a 400 there. Let's go to the X account and refresh. Yeah, it does seem to come in a little bit hot there. Oh, and it's completely got rid of that clip, which is interesting. Lots of these clips are going. What have we got here? Let's play this one. All right, number 2 is came across this on X and thought it was pretty accurate. Still scrolling. Yeah, I can see. Interesting. It's doing really weird stuff because it's not playing what I'm actually saying, which is really weird. I think it's getting super confused. But I think we've got another one that's been rendered. Let's see here. Has this been rendered? No. Okay. We may need to give this more of a test. It's not grabbing when I'm looking at the camera. That's exactly right. How weird. I keep getting downgraded. My models, says Xandio. Yeah, it's a bit tetchy. If you're trying to do anything a little bit technical, it might downgrade you from Fable 5 down to Opus 4.8. What have we got here? Let's play this. Why have we got that 400? Yeah, it has cut in straight from there. Let's play this. Went out. That's amazing. That's amazing. So that, oh look, there we go. It's pulled in another clip here. Let's play this. Thought I could trust it, but actually after today and yesterday, actually, I had a few dumb experiences, but the absolute pinnacle of stupidness, I was trying to get my Gaia marathon, just deleted it. That's cool. That was a cool clip at the end, but hot boundary, no clean silence found. Let's play at the start. Thought I could trust it, but actually after, not bad. Now, it doesn't seem to have the approve icon lit. I think it's because it's burning captions and logos in. So we might need to wait for this, but at least we know in theory, this is literally picking up clips from my real-time live stream now and putting them in here. And I love the fact that the AI models know when something is a bit hot or not clipped correctly. So this clip is flagged and it will only then publish clips that get a gate pass. See, this got a gate pass and this would be published. This is fantastic. This basically means that I can trust this in the future to only publish clips that get a gate pass. So this is kind of where I'm going with this. Let's just play this again from the start. I'm thought I could trust it, but actually, yeah, that is me. That is really me. And let's play again. Deleted it. That's good. This is good. So let's see. Let's refresh. Maybe, no captions burned in yet. Okay, and we can see over here, my agent here, Fable 5, is actually watching all of my clips getting rendered in real time and seeing how they come out, waiting for it to reach review. So this is absolutely fascinating that this is working. So this is making a recursive loop of I do content, it clips it, it gets ready to publish it. I'd be really curious if we could get a live in production clip published out in real time. Let's have a look at this. Let's refresh again. What have we got here? Nothing yet to approve. I guess this one has some captions. Let's play. Why have we got that 400? It says post? No, that one's not working well. All right, number 2. Actually, none of these have captions burnt in. Wow, there's so many more clips down here. So I wonder why the captions aren't getting burnt in. Let's go back to Tank and have a look. Today's live clip records, status changes. Okay, I'm seeing clips getting pulled in real time. This is a fantastic win. However, it doesn't appear that captions and karaoke logos and all of that kind of stuff are getting burnt in. Is there something that I need to do to make that happen? Or is that something that the agent does with time? Also, I'm getting a lot of flags on the clips that are being made in real time that there is a hot boundary, no clean silence found, needs a manual trim. So a lot of the clips are gate failing. Can you tell me if there's anything we can do to fix any of this, please? Okay, let's get that into my Claude Code session inside Tank and see if we can get it fixed. Okay, what's going on over here? So, yeah, we've got stuff pulling through, but definitely at the moment, let's just mute this just so I can play. Definitely no captions are being burnt in. We've got captions on the older stuff. See, the older clips are getting captions on and working really well. But the newer clips that are actually being clipped live as I stream don't seem to be getting the burnt-in captions, which obviously ideally we need for a replay. But this is really good progress so far. Let's see what you've got. What are you contributing here? I think to last clips don't appear because they need time to process. I think you're absolutely right, Pav. Yeah. So the latest clips need some time to process. One thing I've noticed here, Actually, on this one, I can click re-render. I wonder if I should or if I should wait. Oh, look, see, this one has come through now. Let's just see if, no, so nothing is giving me burnt in captions at the moment. That would obviously be the next step, but we are getting clips. Okay, what have we got? Two separate things to run down, the missing captions and the hot gate failures on the live clips. Let me look at the render stage first, then dig into what the refiner actually saw. Okay, so it's on that, but we're getting some progress here with the Gaia Clipper, and I think this is great. It's pulling in the broadcast link from X, the pick window, which is every 5 minutes. It's going to pull new stuff in. We're in live mode, so it will pull stuff from my live stream. Let's see what else you're saying. Gregor says, this is the same idea I've been doing for radio stations and have a delay, and I'm using Shazam identifying the song so later I can play it instead of paid services and have a radio load as delay. That's really, really, wow, that sounds technical. Gregor, dial into that for a minute. So you're having something listen to radio stations with Shazam, tell you what's playing, and then play you the song in full on Spotify or something. That's pretty insane. I keep asking Fable to give the best of itself to my swarm. Yeah. Some of you out there are hammering Fable 5, and I think it's got really dumb recently. That's the problem. But anyway, nonetheless, Fable 5 is working here. It's working on fixing things, and this is all happening in real time. But it's exciting to see that Gaia Stream is handing this through. This one seemed to get, it's cut but not gated yet. So I guess the local AI has to look over whether it passes. Look at this one. Models agree, but the gate is failed and it's flagged. So obviously posts like that wouldn't get published. Only posts that get a gate pass would publish. Let's see, what have we got going on over here? Okay, wait for this to reach review, then print the final clip states. Completed, it's working on it. Lots of complex stuff going on here, but we'll see what's happening. Retrobill 1997, nice to see you in the house. Very nice to see you here. So a lot of this is working. What I'd love to do is ultimately get another clip that I could publish to X to prove the concept that this clipper works. And then this is something I will literally use every time I'm live to publish to X. Michael says, I have a delay on the radio station, then I can type in the song I want, and it says yes, captured, and plays from the radio station around the web. Oh my goodness, that's cool. Have it on a dedicated server. That is dedication. Look at this. So we're pulling things in. Lots of gate fails at the moment. So this is okay. This is all a learning experience. We need to get it to a stage where this actually works. But in live mode, it's literally pulling in all the time from Gaia Stream, which is listening to me. You can see this is a loudness meter in real time, showing that my stream is loud enough. And also, we've got the wonderful live transcript here, literally pulling in all the time. Yeah, look, loudness meter. It's literally transcribing me in real time. This is pretty crazy, and it's making segments, breaking them down into JSON, and handing them over to Gaia Clipper so we can get things happening. It's all a bit of a mess at the moment, but new code is being written over here, so we'll see whether this makes it any better. But essentially, you've got to move fast and break things until you eventually find stuff that works, and then you get it out there as a live product that works for you, and then eventually maybe even other people. It's wiring it in, so we'll see if we get anything that's ready. But this is super, super interesting. I love it. Oh, look at that. It's actually pulled in another one. Older clips have captions, but live ones don't. Again, literally what I've been talking about. It's found it with another hot boundary though, sadly. So I don't know why I keep getting these hot boundaries, but we definitely need to figure that all out. Oh, look, it's pulled something in. Should we bring that up and play it back? The older clips are getting captions on and working really well, but the newer clips that are that's good. That was a clean in, which is nice. Let's play this. See, this one has come through now. Let's just... Okay. So yeah, I'm not 100% happy with that clip, but we will get better all the time, I'm sure. That's why I make forks, break things, learn and patch the original. Absolutely. Yeah, fingers crossed, Creative Aero. Thanks for sticking with me as Claude rewrites the code and makes something that will hopefully work and publish clips. We've already proven the concept. We can use the X API to publish these real-time live clips. I just need to make this like a really significant pipeline that works from start to finish, from end to end. And eventually, like I did earlier, just published out a clip of yesterday's live stream, which is really cool. It seems to have worked, actually. It's got like 85 impressions in just a few minutes. And that is linking straight over to my live stream here, which is really nice. So that's working really well. So everything in theory is working. We just need to get it updated and working for us. So let's see. What have we got here? Pulling stream clips in real time. Can AI read your mood from your voice? Oh, interesting. But interesting that it's got the wrong content up here, despite Gemini getting the right second opinion here. So I think it's pulling in the wrong clips, and we might need to get this sorted out. But we'll see. Pseudocode is brilliant for exploration. Like it. Let's have a look over here and see where we're getting. So this one is building out the solution there. What have we got over here? Everything is proven live with the X posting, which is excellent. I wonder if it might be possible to connect another X account. I wonder if I can connect 2 X accounts and have them work. So what I might actually try and do in the meantime, while I'm waiting for the code to complete itself, is see if I can log Gaia Clipper in with another X account. Let's connect it to my personal account, Mike Russell. Gaia Clipper wants to connect, so let's authorize. It should give me a big white screen, connected. Okay, now what have we got? Yes, so 2 X accounts are connected. This is very cool. We've got Creator Magic here and Mike Russell accounts connected. So now I should get the choice if I want to publish it to my personal or my business account, which is awesome, awesome stuff. Obviously, Creator Magic by default seems to make the most sense. Okay. But nothing really yet that's ready to publish, nothing with captions yet. So I wonder if, does the captioning take more time? Is it broken? But yeah, literally no clips here that we've had made have captions burnt in, only yesterday's stream. So I do wonder why that is. And Claude Code is really thinking on this. Like I say, everyone's hammering Fable 5 at the moment, so it's taking a while to make this work. But we'll see. But ultimately, how cool would this be if it could literally post clips of my live stream in real time? I'd like to get this up and running. Come on, write the code. You can do it. Faster, faster, faster. Come on. Oh my goodness me. How much fun is this? Testing the new estimator offline against real data before deploying. Okay, this is good. We've still got a monitor running down here as well. Realigned live clips, offset measured, boundary cases, gate verdicts. This is all good. Let's see if we can get something actually working here that works in production. This would be super sweet if we can. Super sweet. At the moment, I would just have to hit re-render on some of these. This one is still nothing here. What happens if I've got all these captions ticked and click re-render? It doesn't seem to want to do anything, which is weird. So yes, I'm definitely committing to Git if I succeed. And a lot of these projects I will be sharing in the future with my community, which you can join. I'll stick a link in the chat if you're interested. But all of the repos I'm working on and the problems I'm solving will definitely be posted to my community members to have a mess around with and even to improve in real time as well. But yeah, I got to say, Claude runs a lot slower than it did in the past. Let's actually, because we can at the moment, this is running a deep thing here. Let's go over, where are we? Back to Tank up here. Let's go over here. Let's maybe start a codex session as well at the same time. Actually, now is a good chance to actually go into the settings and recheck the codex models. Nope, no GPT 5.6 for me. Yeah, this is still running away with itself. Let's get codex to do an audit. Can you do an audit on Gaia Streamer and tell me what you think is working really well and what is not working really well? It's running live in production right now on a live stream that I'm actually presenting and clipping bits from my live stream as I go. The only thing I'm not noticing that works is that it's not actually burning in things like the captions, the karaoke, the logos right now. And I'm not sure if there's something I need to do to make that work. So give me an audit and give me a tier list of what next actions we can take to improve this app. Okay, and we're going to send that off to Codex. That's the beauty of Tank, is that any AI agent can pick up from where your other agent left off and have a look. So it's going to audit Gaia Streamer and see what's going on. Actually, it's not Gaia Streamer, it's Gaia Clipper, but never mind. I did say Gaia Streamer for some reason. I hope it looks at Gaia Clipper and not Streamer. But that said, let's have a look over here what's going on. Still checking things out. Okay. We got Manu in the house. Nice to see you, Manu, who's having a coffee and learning from all members of Tank. Isn't it awesome? So many people in the community using Tank together, sharing the ways they're using it. And it's awesome. Enjoy your coffee, Manu. And thank you for joining me. Okay, it's auditing everything. So it's looking at the Clipper pipeline and refine, dashboard HTML, treating those as existing work, audit around them rather than overwriting. That's what I like to read, because Claude Fable 5 has been overwriting a lot of stuff recently, deleting a lot of things recently. I don't think I can trust it at the moment. It's quite funny. Okay, let's wait and see what comes in here. I'm confident that maybe we'll have a little update here to share soon. It's just writing code, updating things. Oh, look at this. It's pulled in the latest trial here. Publishing live clips in real time to drive stream traffic using 2 X accounts. That's the next one that's coming through for approval by my AI consensus. The AIs have picked that as the live stream highlight. It's really cool to see in real time what an AI or what multiple AI models are picking as highlights of my stream. This is a really fun idea, and I'm really having fun playing with this. Been steering away from API usage, staying cleanly on regular subscription, had Codex create an agent hub, sounds interesting. Gemini, Claude, Codex, and Grok can communicate and work together. Nice. And Steve's in the house. Nice to see you, Steve. Grok 4.5 shipped, testing it out. It's such a cool thing to test out. Maybe that's something that I need to give a little bit of a test with, because Fable 5 has totally been failing me and it's not been working very well. I wonder if we can import Grok. Importing, yeah, it runs through Grok build, I think. So let's have a look. Let's have a look here. Found the core caption issue. Remotion is producing overlay, okay, and final. There are 2 separate UX issues. The preview video always uses preview. Okay. It's, yes, so we see the uncaptioned preview. Got it. All right, so Codex is getting on the case here. And what have we got over here with Claude Code? Lots and lots of stuff happening, but no action right now. We wait, and we dream of action. We dream of action. We just have to wait and see what comes in. But if this all works in real time, this is going to be a fantastic way of having this team of AI agents running in the background. Worker is still alive and processing, but slowly. The remotion overlay alone is taking roughly 95 to 137 seconds per 40 to 53 second clip, which is fine. Then compositing takes 27 to 30 seconds. The gate retries. Okay, 5-minute pick window. It can stay close to the edge, but queuing is expected. Okay, we'll see what Codex figures out. A lot of figuring out, not much action at the moment. You're training your swarm with Fable 5. Grok's engineering capabilities are great. Claude is an amazing supervisor. Interesting. Wow. Let's ask Grok to come in with another opinion here. Let's go on to Grok build. Can you just take a look at this project and tell me some places where I could improve it? So do a full project audit on Gaia Clipper, and then give me a full audit on what can be improved in priority order, please. Let's get Grok on the case as well. So now we've got Codex, we've got Claude Code, and we've got Grok is going to hop in here, start a new session, and Grok 4.5. Why not? As so many of you are saying Grok 4.5 is worth a look. Look at this, it's literally clipping me in real time. The beauty of Tank is any AI agent can pick up from where you left off. Why I do not trust Claude to write my code. That's a controversial. I love how controversial my real-time clipper is. This is going to be fantastic. When I get this fully working in production, I'm gonna let this fly and post these clips because I think it will be great. Okay, wow, Grok is going into it. It's reading all the files, getting all the context, which is great. Just have Claude tell the agents what to do, but you basically get Claude capabilities through other models. Interesting, interesting, interesting. What have we got from the audit here? Oh my goodness me, lots of stuff. Okay, so we've got Solid right now recording. Oh yes, it looked at Gaia stream. Clipper is also live, it's armed. Okay, ingesting transcript words. Render system is not absent. Okay, it's found this happening. Do not need to toggle anything special. What is not working well? The big caption problem is the pipeline bug. Render runs before gate. If gate fails, the first smart cut and retries using full re-encode. Retry overwrites the final back to master. Live cut quality is also weaker. Render latency is high. Tier list. Fix the render after gate retry. After a gate retry re-encodes master, either rerun the render or preserve the final MP4. Deploy. Make the pipeline visible. Interesting. This is going to need some deep fixing, I think, here. L1 just recut with another anchor. Boundaries moved. No hot. Matching the offline test. Waiting for fresh gate verdicts as they re-render. Okay, this is very exciting stuff. We shall see what comes in. But of course, all those clips take some time to render. So I can't expect miracles, can I, as we go through. Let's see what Grok is doing here. It's reading literally everything here, and working on it. So we'll see what comes up, reading the README file. I'm curious what Grok will feed back to me based on its analysis of Gaia Clipper. Meanwhile, I would like to use a Clipper for shorts. This is the best way. Refuse the charges for services that are already available. Very interesting point. This could be really good, and then you can schedule shorts to YouTube too. Yeah, that's right, Michael. The idea is I get these AI agents to agree on what is excellent content and then distribute it everywhere. And just imagine this. Imagine that I fully hook it in via the X API. It publishes out clips, and then at the end of a live stream, it looks at all the clips and it decides which 3 clips got the most views, and then it picks those 3 clips and distributes them elsewhere. I mean, this is literally a self-improving loop, and I love it. So this is kind of like the idea that I'm going for. Most of my AIs are getting really stuck at the moment and running really annoyingly slow. So we're not getting much action now, but we'll see what comes back. Michael says, imagine if you can do this for blog posts too. You can extend this out to do a whole blog website and it'll take 60 seconds as subject lines for blog posts. Ooh, oh my goodness me. That is, that's an idea and a half, Michael. Yeah, it could literally take ideas and publish them as a blog. Ooh, that is interesting. I don't know if I'd publish each idea that comes in every 5 minutes as a blog post, but maybe build a structured blog post from all those clipped ideas, or maybe the blog gets built at the end. So again, we get the recursive real-time feedback from X, which clips did the best, which got the most feedback, which got comments or whatever, and then feed that back to a blog creator at the end. And it's like, okay, the most valuable thing from your stream was when you spoke about this. And then it makes a blog post, and maybe it embeds those videos from X or from YouTube into the blog. So the blog is written in long form with embedded videos and keyword optimization. Ooh, you've got me thinking there, Michael. I like that. Okay, what have we got from Grok? Oh, it's got a whole priority list here. Oh my goodness me. Project is clean, research driven. Okay, high fidelity findings. Okay, priority, add automated tests. Pure functions, oh my goodness me. Experiments, OAuth and local flow is hard-coded, so we need to sort that out. Verify and pin the live transcript contract with Gaia Stream. Interesting. Dashboard and caddy auth, yep. Harden resume and error paths. Okay, good stuff. And look at this, it's pulling in a lot of new things, but at the moment we're not getting any new rendered clips, which is really interesting. So it's at the moment it's stopped rendering clips. I don't know what is happening there. We've got a background waiting thing. Okay, we've got L67M landed on cadence. Still waiting on L1's gate result. Okay, let's see. It's waiting on things. L1 now passes every edge energy. The head is clean. Okay. So we're getting a lot of stuff coming in. Just going to wait and see if this agent wants to wrap up, because then maybe we can see something that's better. It's currently monitoring everything that's going through. It's being produced right now on my local server, but nothing is published as of yet. So we need to wait a little bit longer for this to work. Let's see. I don't know. Is it going to work? Are we going to get something here or not? I would love for this to show a little bit more in terms of action or active clips that can be used. Landed on cadence, still waiting on L1's gate result. Let's see. It's writing a lot of code here. But is it going to work? Yeah, in the meantime, it's a really fun stream. I'm enjoying doing this one. It's a bit of a complex one, though, I've got to say. This is definitely a complex nut to crack, I would say. But keep on working on it, and we'll get there, I'm sure. I've got multiple AI agents looking over my clipper to try and improve it. Not sure how much further we're going to get with it on this particular live stream, but we'll just give it a little bit longer to see if we can get anything here. Live clips through. Yeah. The full fixed pipeline, align mode and gate verdicts coming through. Wonder what temperature those poor local Macs are running at with your aircon. Yeah, they definitely need air conditioning. Otherwise, they get extremely hot. In fact, that is one thing that I can actually check. So I do actually have my, this is Gaia. This is, I'm using the Mac screen sharing app, and you can see CPU and GPU is running up here. Can actually make that a bit bigger if you want to see it. Yeah, CPU has been running quite hot. GPU has been running quite hot. These are all things that are running right now on my network. At the moment, the CPU is working harder than the GPU, I can tell you that. But as you can see, we've got lots of local AI running, lots of CPU running. Plus, at the same time, I'm also using Gaia to do this live stream. So it transcodes everything in real time. But as you can see, for the live, CPU's burning up now. For the live stream in general, though, the CPU barely breaks a sweat, as you can see here. Now, we have got some stuff that's being made here in real time, some clips, and we can actually see these are some clips that are being made in real time. Let's sort by modified. This is the latest one. So we can actually see this final one. So we can see, yes. Okay. It is burning in captions, but they're just not appearing in the app at the moment. That's interesting. And this is the preview. So that's one that's been recently made. Let's go to L40 and play the final. I thought I could trust it, but actually after today and yesterday, actually I've had a few dumb experiences. This is brilliant. Let's see if it gets everything. Gaia stream, it got that right. Yep, absolutely. This is nice. YouTube, X, LinkedIn, eventually others, and it went out and had a look at X, and for some reason, unbeknownst to me, yeah, this is really good transcription. So the transcription is accurate, completely kaput. Yes, Fable, it even got Fable 5 correct. Oh my goodness. Deletes them. So it literally deleted 2 live streams from X. Hang on, I'm not sure if that ending was a good one. Let's play it back. Marathon just deleted it. For some reason it put just there at the end, but yeah, I mean that's not too bad. Thought I could trust it, but actually after today, interesting, very interesting. So we could potentially use that as a clip, but again, this needs a lot of refining. Let's look at this one here. Interesting that it is now captioning things really nicely. Let's play this. And views, and it literally just went out. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay. The captions are slightly off, so we're definitely going to have to tighten that up. But we're getting somewhere. And yes, a lot of GPU and CPU is 100% being burnt right now with this app running in real time, trying to do its thing. But we can see now Claude Code is crunching in the background, so we may well get somewhere. Love to see some more action. Gate pass, the clip that failed all along the way. Everything agreed. And actually it says over here, models agree on this one. Are we going to see a clip pop in here? I would love to see. But this one has been agreed upon. Testing the accuracy of our new AI transcription tool. Nice. I'm really loving the type posts it's doing for X here. This looks really awesome. Just need to get some videos now. I don't know if Claude has intentions to do that. So yeah, the captions are indeed burnt in and not live creative error. That's exactly the name of the game. That's exactly how it works. Oh, we've got a wrap up here. Okay. Captions were never missing. Every live clip has them rendering. Hot flags were a real deep bug, now fixed. Real-time transcript. All of today's clips are being reprocessed through the fixed pipeline, and the queue is draining at roughly 1 clip every 2 to 3 minutes, with new picks still arriving every 5 minutes. Okay, so we should get some gate passes very soon over on Gaia Clipper, and then maybe something that I can actually post in real time to X. Sadly, the earlier ones have been flagged, but I'd love to see some stuff actually appearing here. Meantime, business growth ready, high volume blog content on your own website that would have a negative effect. Better off with a weekly roundup and post your dailies to external sites like Medium. Ooh, and your own subreddit. Now, there we go. Now that, if I could super chat or super award or star that comment, I would. I don't know if I can business growth ready, but you're right on that. That's fantastic. Do you know what I can do? I can pin that message. It's so good, I'm actually pinning it to the YouTube live chat. There you go. That is a huge piece of value, and I agree with you. So actually, you're giving me ideas here. What if because I do want to spin up a blog on Creator Magic AI at some point. What if I have a weekly wrap-up blog that like summarizes everything that happened in the live stream with links? And I'm thinking not even Reddit or not even Medium. I'm thinking Substack might be the place for that. What do we think about Substack? You've just dropped such a powerful comment there, Business Growth Ready. What would your thoughts be on Substack? I think I prefer Substack over Medium, but let me know, and then maybe put that out as blog, maybe even with clip video. I mean, there's just so much you can do, but this is all sounding really good. Okay, looks like we're getting more of a wrap up here from Claude Code, but still not quite yet anything coming through on Gaia Clipper. Okay, rendered with re-anchor, its gate verdict is next. So again, all of these models are having to agree in real time if these clips are good for the prime time. So I like this because I'm basically building an autonomous system that will post these things out in real time. That would be amazing, really, really amazing, is to get that working. That's ultimately what I want. So let's see. It's taking some time. This rendering is not trivial, but once I get it dialed in and I realize the render frequency, you know, if it takes 2 to 3 minutes to clip something to post out on X, probably looking at my live stream every 5 minutes and coming up with clips is a little bit of a fast cadence. I'd probably drop that back to every 10 minutes or every 20 minutes. And actually, thinking about it, potentially, I don't even need to do real-time transcript using Assembly AI. I could actually do it after the event. If I'm recording this stream, say in 10 minutes chunks, I can literally do 10-minute chunks at a time and then have the AI look in retrospect at the 10-minute chunks rather than try and pull my stuff in live. That might be the better way to go. But for now, yeah, I gotta say, this is not pulling in any new clips. I'm loving the basics of what we got here, but it's messy. It's very, very messy. The reason for Reddit and Medium is feed content for the AI models. Oh, yes, Substack may as well do it because you're already creating content. Steve, I like Substack's member model better than Medium's as well. Okay. So are we kind of converging on Substack? Do we think that would be a good place? Because ultimately it's trying to get in all the places, but the content waterfall effect, isn't it? So you do one piece of really good content and it gets repurposed everywhere. That's the ultimate solution, right? So imagine that the one piece of good content is a live stream that happens on YouTube Also, simul streams to X and LinkedIn at the same time, and maybe some other places. And then that gets repurposed by Gaia Clipper and like sent out everywhere. So eventually I'd have Gaia Clipper sending out shorts to X, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, you know, all over the place. I'd have it writing a weekly blog post. I'd have it writing a Substack. I mean, I'd have it posting to Reddit. Interesting stuff there, business growth ready. So I wonder, is it possible to create a subreddit? I don't know what the requirements are there. It sounds like it would be good. But I know Reddit is quite strict on the kind of content, on the kind of content that it allows. So we'll have to see. Look, more stuff is flowing in here. Why real-time video rendering is so difficult. I love these tight, punchy lines. This is perfect for posting to X and then the watch now call to action with the broadcast link. This is exactly the kind of thing. And it's all nice and it's clean and it's going via the X API. This is great stuff. Okay, but we're not getting anything here. So I might, we're not getting any clips appearing. Models agree. I'm actually just going to give it a nudge and just say, are the clips passing the gate now? Because Fable 5 seems to have got stuck in its own little loop of just trying to render things, and it's not really doing anything helpful for me at the moment. So let's see what comes back. Claude can't pull Reddit feeds as easily. Yes, we did see that the other day. That was crazy. Substack gives you free content that you can see in search results all the time. Haven't tried scraping it with other models, though. Interesting. Very interesting. So Substack, it definitely should be on the radar, I think, as a place to go to. Let's see. What is this doing? Yeah, my AI models are slow and not very helpful today. So at least we've proven the concept that we've got something watching my stream in real time. We've basically got AI watching me in real time, listening to me in real time, and picking out best minutes and moments, which is really, really awesome. But we need to definitely dial this in a bit further. What's happening? Stop task. Stop task. Why is it stopping task? What? Why is it stopping a task via the API? What is this? I tell you, Fable 5 has been dumb recently. I'm calling it now. Fable 5 is weird. It's not to be trusted. It's not to be trusted. Come on. Are we going to get anything that's worth showing? Okay. Auto requeue armed. It's really having problems making this work. And you know what? We actually, we might need to call it a day because it's not making any progress. It's stalling, it's spinning up shells and monitors, but it's not actually making any decent progress. So if you guys have anything else to say, I'll probably stick around for another 5 minutes or so and call it a day on this live stream, maybe 5 to 10. We'll see how we go. Would love to have something actionable from the AI model, but you know what? Sometimes the AI muse is with you, and sometimes it is not. And today, the AI models are not cooperating with me. They're just acting a bit dumb. Better late than never. Good meeting you the other year at Top Table at TubeFest. Hey, yeah, likewise. Really nice to see you. That's a blast from the past back in Birmingham. Nice to have you here on my live stream. Thank you very much. And really, really cool tips that I'm going to be mulling over. I'm mulling over all these ideas. Goodness me. Yeah. Claude reckons it's cooked and it's done. I'm reckoning they're limiting things. It's happy to spin up shells and monitors, but it's not happy to do any work. Do we just say that Claude is cooked at the moment and it's not making anything new or anything useful? I don't think it is. And the monitors are looking here at the clips, live clips through the pipeline. Yeah. And in all honesty, you know, when I look at the CPU and GPU running on Gaia, it's not spinning up at full speed. So I don't think a lot of things are being produced here. I think we've hit a proper AI block for today, which is a shame because I hoped for more action for you today. But sometimes that's the way it lands. Should we just shout at my Claude code? Can you stop being lazy and actually do something? I'm not seeing any video clips pull through on Gaia Clipper. I'm looking at it now in the web browser. The last 5 haven't shown me any video clips. Some of these clips must be ready, but they're not being surfaced. Stop being lazy, don't be afraid of using tokens, and make something that actually works, please. All right, I've given it a good talking to. Let's see if it does anything in the last sort of 7 minutes or so. No issues on the API, says Gregor, probably limiting Fable on the subs. Yeah, Fable is super lazy and dumb on the subscription right now. Looking at what's stuck right now. Okay, come on. There is definitely some stuff going on with Fable 5 today because it's not good. I'm wondering if to fully convert over to Grok or Codex at the moment. Yeah, even Kevin says, think they've been dumbing it down. Like, yeah. Honestly, this is not the Fable 5 goodness I had a week ago, you know? Yeah, it's Stern Mike has taken the mic here, Steve. You're right. Dario is stuck. Come on, Dario. Lend a dude a hand. Come on, Dario. You can do it. Oh my goodness. You know, what am I supposed to do? It doesn't really make for a very compelling live stream, does it? But, you know, sometimes you win and everything gets done, and sometimes things just crunch along. Look at this. Yes, tokens are being used. Wow, I thought it was allergic to tokens. It's not. Live clips through the full extended pipeline. Okay. Stop looking at monitor events and actually do something, please. This is just crazy. Okay. Sorry, I should show you the screen that I'm looking at here. It's actually using tokens. We should have our own models. Yeah. Not give all the money to train them. Claude seems to dumb down models, possibly on token burn, like they're giving us lower quant models. Yeah, that's possible, Steve. That's actually very possible. I feel it. I definitely feel it today. What on earth is going on? What is it doing? Fable Planner, Grok 4.5, GPT 5.6 to build. That might be the way. Gregor, I think you're bang on with this. I think you're bang on with your thinking. Maybe you need an AI agent to monitor the token and see what one is doing. And when it's bad, tell it to do it properly. Hey, Scott, nice to have you. Scott from the community's in as well. Nice to see you here. So I'm just trying to give Fable 5 a kick to build something for us in the last 4 minutes and see if it does or not. And if it does, I can show you. If it does not, I will just have to go back and work on this. Like a casino. Yes, indeed. Indeed, like a casino. But yeah, we've lost the videos pulling through for some reason. A lot of the videos. When your real-time AI clipping agent decides to quit. That's the latest one. I love how meta these live stream clips are here. Okay, we'll see. Are we going to get anywhere? Or are we job done today? I think we might be job done. Might have to switch to a better model. I don't know if I've got GPT 5.6. I keep refreshing to see if I have. ChatGPT 5.6. No, it has not rolled out to me. They said today, but that's probably not going to be for another 3.5 hours yet, is it? That we get 5.6. And then I'll get back to work. So it might be time for a coffee break or a Cerruti break and come back later. It's rewriting a lot of code for me, which actually worries me. That makes me nervous. But we'll see what comes in here. See what we get. No luck, apart from lots of code being rewritten. Scott, I do not see GPT 5.6 for me right now. No, a lot of people say they've already got it. Some people have said they had early access, but I have not seen it in my account yet. So let's see. Still monitoring, still taking its time. Very slow and very dumb at the moment, Fable 5. We'll see though. AI has not been all it could be today. I'll definitely tell you that much. Yeah, there we go. Yes, thank you, Scott. Yes, Scott in the community yesterday in the build clinic Brewing espressos from the terminal. I think I need one. An espresso brewed from the command line. Thank you, Scott. I don't trust Claude anymore, or Dario, says Kevin. His claims to find some JSpark or something. I doubt anything from them has AGI. My GPT is not upgraded either, says Exandio. There you go. Fixed and verified. You were right to push. Stop telling me I'm right to push back. Oh my goodness, it's one of those dumb AI days. You're right to push back. What was wrong? The pipeline had a single serial worker thread. Each clip takes 2 to 3 minutes. So I've changed it. Hang on, I'm going to have to ask it if it's deployed. Is it deployed? And can I try? Seriously, I'm honestly thinking of using a different AI model because this one just is not it. Tokens are being burnt. Come on. Yes, Gregor, that's right. Yes, I have not heard from Cerruti yet, but I'm definitely open to brand deals, Cerruti Greece. Get in touch. Although I haven't got a can of Cerruti in hand today. What can I say? Okay, yes, it's deployed and running. 3 workers are processing right now and 6 clips are queued behind them. All right. I love how accurate this is. Here's the latest clip. Is Claude secretly dumbing down its models? I love how conspiratorial. This is perfect. But we're not getting any clips in. For the longest time, it hasn't pulled clips in. And I wonder if it's because it can't access the clips. I'm a bit skeptical now. Okay, might need to stay just a few minutes longer and see if I can get this working. Or I tell you what, maybe, it's doing something. Live clips through the full fixed pipeline. Gate verdicts. All right. Yes. Oh, here we go. We're getting some action. Let's see. Real-time timings. Okay. Full fixed pipeline. It's definitely taking some time to do something. The plan is to start a build OS this weekend with modular SEO, Social Notion, and Hermes, tank style, Frankenstein. Absolutely, got to do it like that. Later next week. Completing PRDs, tech stack docs. Lovely. Flox is in the house. Nice to see you there. Joining in. Very cool indeed. Wow. Okay. This has absolutely paused. Yeah. I'm absolutely certain Claude is restricting token usage at the moment. This is ridiculous. I've never seen Fable 5 so slow and so dumb. So, I think we have to call it there. You know, it was fun while it lasted. We built something that's definitely listening to my stream, but not pulling in the videos that I need that are ready to post. But we did prove the concept. We did get a real live video up on X. See, it's right here. We did get this post live. So we've proven that the concept works. We just need to make it work better. But this is an absolutely fantastic way of promoting X live broadcasts. And I can guarantee you, in the future, this is only going to get better, and I'll be sharing the full source code in the future with my community. So if you haven't joined, mrc.fm/CMC, and we'll go from there. But yeah, keep me up to date on what you find. Come join the community, keep the conversation going. Join me on X, by the way. I'll post the status in case you want to tag onto X and maybe keep this discussion going afterwards. But in the meantime, have a great rest of your day.